The rearview mirror on our car hides 5 secrets. 99% have never used it, especially the last one. If I hadn't told you today, you abandoned the car. You don't even know. First, adjust the left front door handle to the lower right corner of the left reversing mirror. Adjust the right front door handle to the lower left corner of the right reversing mirror. At this time, the vision is the best. Second, it is not allowed to judge the distance between the front and the curb when parking. We stared at the left rear view mirror. When the lower edge of the rear view mirror coincides with the upper edge of the curb, press the brake. The distance is just 10 centimeters. Third, during reverse warehousing, when you can just see the foot of the target parking space in the rear view mirror, turn the steering wheel to the left. The car backed in very smoothly. Fourth, when the vehicle head leaves the warehouse, when the rearview mirror is aligned with the front of the vehicle next to it, you can leave the warehouse in any direction you want. Fifth, we split the rearview mirror in two. When the vehicle behind appears on the right side, it is safer to change lanes and turn around. When it appears on the left half, the back car is very close to you. You can't change your path even if you die.
Pay attention to me and learn more about cars.